In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a diet plan using Notion AI. Notion AI is a powerful tool that helps streamline the process of organizing and planning, making it a fantastic choice for setting up a personalized diet plan. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to open your AI application and navigate to the search bar. In the search bar, type in Create a Diet Plan. This step is crucial as it will direct you towards relevant templates and resources specifically designed to help you build an effective diet plan. When you do this, you'll notice a variety of options and suggestions appear. Take a moment here to browse through these choices to see what resonates with your diet goals. Once you've selected a suitable template or begun a new document, the next step is to customize it according to your specific needs and preferences. Personalization is key, as dietary requirements can vary significantly from person to person. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, muscle gain, or simply maintaining a balanced diet, ensure the plan reflects your targets. You can adjust meal frequencies, portion sizes, and ingredient preferences directly within the template. As you incorporate your preferences, it's important to maintain a balanced approach. Include a variety of food groups to cover all essential nutrients. Think about integrating carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Scanning your meal plan for diversity will ensure that you're meeting nutritional guidelines while keeping your meals exciting. Next, it's time to set realistic goals. Establish clear, attainable objectives that you can track over time. For example, if you're focusing on weight management, decide on a weekly or monthly target. You might also consider input from professionals, like dietitians, for additional insights, which can further tailor your plan to your desired outcomes. After this, utilize Notion AI to schedule your meals and snacks efficiently. One of the many benefits of using Notion AI is the ability to organize your meals day by day, making it easier to spot patterns and adjust as needed. You can create reminders and notifications to help you stick to your diet, which can significantly boost adherence and ultimately your success. Throughout this process, remember that flexibility is important. Your diet doesn't have to be set in stone, and you can always come back to make adjustments as your needs change or as you experiment with how different foods affect your body. Finally, review your diet plan regularly. Doing this will help you stay aligned with your goals and make it easier to notice when changes are necessary. Keep track of how your body responds, and don't hesitate to tweak your plan to improve results over time. That's it. By following these steps, you can craft a personalized and adaptive diet plan using Notion AI that supports your health and lifestyle objectives. Enjoy the empowerment and ease that comes with having such a tool at your fingertips. Stay committed and be kind to yourself as you embark on this journey to a healthier you.